I don't know this. Hi guys, we're gonna do hair dyeing today with a quirky color.
Hello.
Anyway, today we're going to do some hair dyeing. Apologies if I sound tired because I am tired because I am sick. Anyway, my hair is currently this brownish shade of red. I don't know, at this point I can't recall. Last time I actually dyed my hair was dark red. So today we're giving qwerkycolour a try. I've been seeing this everywhere on my Instagram, so I thought, why not give it a try? So I had bleach hair, but I dyed it like a darker color. So now it's like this. I don't expect much from it because I know like bright red will only show up on like super bleached hair. So we're gonna do a review, or I guess you guys can just see the process. I just want to see if my hair can turn out like a slightly brighter shade of red than like brown, because I don't really like brown hair. It makes me feel basic and normal. I'm sorry, I feel like brown is just a very basic color. I just want like something that's like slightly more red. We have the dye ready and it's a lot. It's 22 bucks. 25 bucks. I bought it at the physical store, so it's like 25 bucks. I think you just need to apply to whatever parts that are brown. I don't think the blacks are gonna show because see, yeah, my hair has like grown out. Just want to say my hair is also freshly shampooed. It looks like it's not because that's how damaged my hair is now. This is what happens when you bleach non-stop for 2 years, guys. So I have Sam to help me. So we're going to apply the hair in sections as usual. We've done this so many times already, so. As you can see, it's raining. Cats and dogs outside.
Cats and dogs. More like Hurricane Katrina.
Yeah, so we are almost done. This is what it looks like as of now. Okay, check in later. Okay guys, so we are done applying it all over to my hair. Okay, so this is how it looks like when it's done. There's still excess dye here and there. So I'm going to leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes-ish. And I'll wash it out and let's see how it goes. Smells nice. Are you guys ready to see the final results? Like, I dried my hair somewhat. This is what it looks like after, like this side's not fully dry yet, but this side is like almost dry, and you can see how vibrant it is. Like, what? I'm so impressed. No, I'm not even fucking lying. Like, I legit am fucking impressed. Like, look at this. Like, what? It actually looks like bright red. I mean, it's not like as red as the one that I had, but that was on like platinum blonde hair. I'm so entranced by it right now. Like, do you guys see this? Do you all see this? So I'm gonna give a proper review before I start spasming again because this looks so freaking good. First off, affordability, definitely like yes, I will definitely buy it again. One tub, it actually covered the entirety of my hair, and actually Sam went through like a second round and there's still not a lot left, but like it's really good. I did not expect it to like fully cover my hair. There are no blotches. Everything is extremely even. Thank you, Samuel, for doing it. Sam's hiding there. As for the quality of my hair right now, it's definitely not damaged. It looks exactly the same. I don't feel like it's any more damaged than it already was because of my like 7 millionth bleach on my hair. As for the application itself, it's actually very, very creamy. The texture is super creamy. It was very easy to apply on my hair from what I saw, right Sam? I think it's like super smooth, right?
It was moist.
So yes, I will definitely buy it again. Now it's just to see how long it'll last on my hair. How did I actually find out about qwerkycolour was essentially TikTok. I think TikTok was the first place I found it, and like they did an ad on TikTok. Their marketing team is just like next level. It's incredible. Like, I keep seeing it on TikTok, I keep seeing it on Instagram, and then I finally caved because I went to a flea market and they were selling this at the flea market, so I just got it. I mean, I'm not gonna lie and say like, oh, this is not what I expected. I kind of expected. My hair is not like super dark brown. My hair pretty light brown already. I'm just surprised by how like vibrant it looks right now. As you can see, like these are the roots of my hair that have not been bleached or dyed yet. You can see they haven't really changed much. There's like a tint of red to it, but it's not as obvious as the rest. This is the perfection. I love it. What the heck, man? I'm just gonna like, do you see this? me in my pajamas. Sorry. This is the end of the hair dyeing vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a definite thumbs up from me. I'm gonna recommend it to anybody else who wants to like get their hair dyed. Also remember, if you don't have bleached hair and you have like straight out like black hair, it's not gonna show. So don't expect it to show. Every time I do these hair dyeing videos, there's always people who come to me and go like, do you think this will work on non-bleached hair? Girl, you gotta get your hair a little bit lightened up first. You cannot have it like fully like dark like this, like natural black. Yeah, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys sometime soon whenever I post a vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh my god, do you see this? I just cannot stop. This is so good.